वंदे गुरुवदनं भक्तवृंद समन्वितं श्री चैतन्यं प्रभुं वंदे नित्यानंद सहोदितं नंदनंदनं वंदे राधिका चरणार्चनं गोपीनां समयुक्तानां वृंदावनं मनोहरं श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Salam Vishnu Maharaj Evan Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Salam Vishnu Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Salam Vishnu Swami Maharaj and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas. So continue, we also discuss about Gopal Gita. So first verse we also discuss Jayati Devodikam Janmana Braja Srayate Indira Shashtratrahi Daita Dikshata Dikshitavoka Daita Dikshitavoka Dikshitavoka. इस श्लोक का हम लोगों ने एक we also discuss about this श्लोक. The gopis, they felt pain of separation from Krishna, and they also use many sweet words, sometimes also some sarcastic words, sometimes Bhamabhav, sometimes that they use these words. Okay. Yesterday I told in the divine love of prayer in the transcendental world, love is going in this earth. It's like a bird can't fly without his two wings. In the same way, in prayer, manifest in this way. Sometimes Bhamabhav, sometimes Dakshinya Bhav. So gopis, they expressed their heart towards Krishna. Jayati Udikam Jarmana Srayata Indira Shashvatatrahi Daita Dikshita Dikshitavoka Pradita Savatvam Vichinate. Gopis very humble asked to Krishna, "Hey Krishna, if you really love to us, so why you are giving so much pain in our heart?" Lover and beloved, they never to give, to pain in each other's heart. This is the symptom of love. Love does not look the faults of his lover or beloved. Love always looking the sweetness. This is the nature of the love. So this is the submission mood of the gopis now. If you really love us, why did you disappear from us? And we are feeling so much pain. So what is the meaning of love? If you love your son, if your son is blind, you cannot give the name of son. And blind. Blind son you cannot call him. Maybe you will give your son's name Kamalanayan, Padmalochan. One's eyes is as like lotus. No eyes, but you give your son's name Kamalanayan. Yeah? Because this is the love and affection. Yeah? Love never looks any fault. Love will always look in the good things. Yeah? This is the nature of the love. So you love to ask why you are giving so much pain in your heart. Why? Yeah. Then Krishna told, actually I did not give pain in your heart. Then, so why did you disappear from us? Gopis asked. Then Krishna told, actually I did not go away anywhere from you. I am always with you. Just I am looking your love and affection with me. Because when lover and beloved meeting together, and that time you cannot see how much they are deep love. You cannot measurement their love. But when separate to each other, that time you can measurement. Yeah? This is the nature. Yeah? Water in the bucket. Very easy, you can the measurement that water. Then just you put your hand here. That means in liquid things very easy to measurement. And same liquid things transferred in solid, not so easy to measurement. Then same water, when transferred in ice, solidity come, that time not so easy to measurement. Liquid things you cannot also carry on openly. And with solid things very openly you can carry on. And if you carry the water, need one bucket. But if you carry the piece of ice, openly you can also hold there the piece of ice in your hand, you can carry. This is the same way Krishna told to the gopis. Love this way. I am looking how much love you have, how much you have love with me. For this regard, just little bit far away, I am looking. Then gopis asked, what does that mean? What does that mean? I cannot understand what you want to speak. That time Krishna told, hey gopis, listen very carefully. If anything completely ripened, then sweetness comes. Or if anything not ripened, not sweetness will come. Give an example, mango. You can eat also green mango, or you can also eat the ripened mango. But sweetness is right. So for this regard, looking how much frame. Still Gopi, they asked Krishna, we cannot understand your these types of words. What do you want to speak? That means. What is the meaning our love ripened or unripened or mature, immature? What do you understand? What do you want to speak? At that time, Krishna told very sweet ways. One person, he got one very sweet mango seed. Then he planted, then the earth, and as well put the water. Then after few days, few months, the plant coming in, mango plant. And that person, he also very carefully protect the mango plant every day, watering, giving water. Then one day big mango tree coming. That person, gardener, in his heart one thing, when the mango, maybe 1 year passed, still so much hope. 2 months, then some small flowers coming. And they called mango birds coming. And that time, that gardener heart completely overjoyed. Or this tree will give the fruits. Because some tree is not giving the fruits. And if the fruits, if the flowers coming, that time hope will come. There must be fruits will come. But that year, heavy rain coming, all the flowers of mangoes, very nice. But still the gardener, so much hope, so much enthusiasm coming, utsaha. Utsaha, nishya, dhurja, so much utsaha, enthusiasm. Then next year, again many mango flowers come. But some storm came, some mango fall down, and some also died. But before ripen, some mango, before ripen, again big storm came, and all the mangoes fell down. But still the gardener thinking maybe next year, how many years? Maybe 3-4 years. But still there's so much enthusiasm and keeping patient, venture. Then next year, again also many flowers coming, mango flowers coming, many mango small one mangoes coming. And again storm came and also falling down. But some mangoes at top of the branches. And only few mangoes are there. And then mangoes mature. And then some mangoes become a reddish color, as a reddish color comes. And that time you think it must be this mango soon will be ripe. Then one day one sukapakshi, what is called? Parrot came and touched the beak of the mango, and that mango down. Then the gardener, he took the mango and washed very carefully. Then he offered Thakurji and taste. Oh, very sweet. Then he realized all my endeavors, parisram, successful. Then what did he? Then he took all the mangoes. He picked up all the mangoes and put one such and little bit heat. Then one by one mango ripened. Then he offered to Thakurji and he ate and would distribute to the others. Krishna told this story the same way. You are my very near and dearest. I am nourishment your praying. I am Bhagavan. I am the supreme personality of Godhead. I am nourishment your praying. But your praying not completely mature. And that is not testicle coming. So in this way, I am thinking, now I am looking your praying about to mature. So for this regard I am giving little bit heat. That is what the heat? Viraha tap. Viraha tap. That heat of separation. Now you Virahota, what happened? That prem completely matured and tasteful. Now I am tasting. Okay? Prem in this way, actually this Katha Krishna told to the gopis, not Nitya Siddhas gopis, because Nitya Siddhas gopis that prem spontaneous. Because I told in the Ras dance, many kinds of gopis assemblies. Sadhana Siddha, Nitya Siddha, Shruti-chari, Muni-chari, Jyotiki, Ajyotiki. Even in Ramchandra's Leela, then some Dandakarna rishis, by the causeless mercy of Lord Ramchandra, they also took birth and took birth in Braj in the womb of gopis. That is called Rishi-charis, Muni-charis, Shruti-charis. Even in the Ramchandra's Leela, when Ramchandra entered in the Janakpuri, and when the girls, ladies of Janakpuri, when they saw Ramchandra's beauty, they completely intoxicated with the beauty of Lord Ramchandra. And they also in their mind, they offered their heart to Lord Ramchandra. But Ramchandra told, hey, Janakpuri's lady, I realize your heart, but in this my Ram Leela, I can't accept you as my consort. But my Krishna Leela, I will accept you as my consort. By the causes of Jogamaya, that Janakpuri's ladies, they also took birth in Braj in the womb of gopis. Now this also. So in this way, Vishwanath Chakrabarti Pad in his commentary very nicely explained this. Krishna told this story just I told, this for the Sadhana Siddha gopis. Because in the assembly Ras dance, many kinds of gopis assembled. Saradiya Ras dance, Jyotiki, Ajyotiki, some they partner bhajan and sadhan with together, some they did bhajan and sadhan, and separately, that is called Ajyotiki. But Nitya Siddhas gopis, Radha, Lalita, Visakha, they are called Nitya Siddha gopis. They are praying towards Krishna's spontaneous. Because I told you, this Gopi Git recited by the Yudhishthira. There are many kinds of gopis they assembled, but after they also recited same sloka. Under the guidance of Yudhishthira. Then different kind of groups are there, group leaders. This is very important. So Krishna told this katha, this story, those were Sadhana Siddha. So Jayatite Adhikam Jarmana Braja Sarad Indira Shaswa Atrahi. Gopi first very submission mood and very humble. They glorify to Krishna's birthplace of Vrindavan. Because Krishna's topmost Leela, that is called Vrindavan Leela. God is one. He performs many Leela, Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura and Vrindavan. But his Vrindavan Leela, that is called human being Leela, Naravat Leela. And Naravat Leela means, human being Leela means here, the opulence less or Madhurya more. Vaikuntha, opulence, full of opulence. And Vaikuntha Leela. Where you go, Vaikuntha to Ajita, then opulence less and Madhurya sweetness going up. And if you come down, up to down, then Madhurya less and Vaisarja more. This is upside down. Two arrows going this way. Just so Krishna's Leela, same Krishna he manifests in Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura and Vrindavan. Another thing which our Sanatana Goswami Path explained Krishna manifest his form. Then, according to his dham and according to his parikar. Parikar means association. Then, जैसे धाम होता है उसी प्रकार कृष्ण अपने स्वरूप को प्रकाश करते हैं और जैसे परिकर होता है उस परिकर पर कृष्ण उसी प्रकार स्वरूप को प्रकाश करते हैं. Simple है. Then, so Vaikuntha Parikar associate, Ajodhya associate, and Dwaraka Mathura is different. But topmost his dham that is called Guru Vrindavan. And Krishna performs that lila, human being lila that is called Manav lila. Lokabhattu lila koi bana. Then Naravat lila, human being lila. So he started, I told Jatiti Udikam Janmana Rajav. Gopis in this way, first they in their submission mode, they glorify to Krishna. Now is Vrindavan, beautiful Vrindavan. Hey Govinda. And all the residents of Vrindavan, they are also very beautiful, everything is there. Katha Ganam Nattam Gamnopi Bhunsik Priya Sati. All the Gopis' beauty, you cannot compare with the beauty of Lakshmi or Sita or Rukmini Satyabhama. They cannot also their beauty cannot compare with just the effulgence, the pronames of Srimati Radhika. राधिका की नौका चंद्रमा की छटा के कण भी ये लोग नहीं सुंदर नहीं हो सकते. How is beauty of Srimati Radhika and Gopis? Katha Gana Nattam Gamanopi. Even Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, all the concerts, they are very beautiful also. Uddama Bhava Peswana Malaval Guhasa Lilabalokanam. Sukadeva Goswami Path. In the queens of Dwaraka, Mahisi, the queens of Dwaraka, they are very beautiful and attractive. They are different kinds of, also their mood, as like the waves of the ocean coming up and down in this world. They are very expert. Once Kamdev came in Dwarikapuri. Just saw the Rukmini Satyabhama as their mood. Then Kamdev completely were fainted. But that points of Dwaraka, they can't to control to Krishna with their mood bhav. But Gopis, just their romantic sidelong glance, they control to Krishna. So in this way proof, the Gopis praying how unique, incomparable, this thing. So Uddama Bhavo Kisuno Malabal Guhasa Lilavalokana. Then Madhamadadi Yoguni, Pramodana Panditi, Priyamraga Ranjite, Kalavilasa Pandite, Ananadhanna Punjarajya Kama Keli Gaurite. And how Gopis, they are completely what? Absorbed with their different kinds of art of love, Prem Kala. They are very expert, all kinds of Prem Kala. And in this way they control to Krishna. Naham Basami Vaikunti, Nocha Jiganidhecha, Madhbhakta Jatra Gandhi Tatta Tisthami Narada. Krishna told, Narayan told, not always I am staying in Vaikuntha. Even not I am staying in the heart of the yogis, those who perform hard state. Madhbhakta Jatra Gandhi Tatta Tisthami Narada. Where my devotee glorifies my pastime, I appear. जहाँ पर मेरे को तो मैं प्रकाश हो जाता. So Gopis, in this way, they express their heart. Thou is beautiful Vrindavan, Jatiti Udikam. And you promise Vrindavan Pratyajun Padamekam Nangachati. Krishna does not go one step from Vrindavan. Always he remains in Vrindavan. So Gopi in this way glorified to Krishna. First look. Kalantarita Gopis mood. I was in the first slope. What the mood of the gopis? That's good. Kalaha Antarita. Kalaha, all kinds of quarrel is what? And they are very eager to meet with Krishna. So they use this word. Jatite Urikam Janmana Brajo. Because you not appears in Vrindavan. You took birth in Vrindavan. You took birth as a human being. Varga Samhita or different Puranas explain this way. Krishna is Bhagavan. He can appear anywhere. Krishna appeared from the pillars in the form of Nrsimhadev. So that means pillar is not the mother and father of Lord Nrsimhadev Krishna. You cannot say this. Krishna, he manifests in the form of pig from the nose tails of Brahma. So you cannot say Ye Barahadev Bhagavan, his mother and father of Brahma. Krishna is Bhagavan, he creates Brahma, but he manifests from the head, nose. So, when you use the Janma, birth, that birth is human being. As like human being take birth from the womb of mother, there are many symptoms. What is called? Umbilical cord connected with mother's womb. So in this way, gopis very humble, glorify to Krishna. Jatite Urikam Janmana. All the highest devotees, they are very hankari to take darshan to Vrindavan. They want to take the one dust, and particular dust of Vrindavan. They want to take birth in Vrindavan. What we say to the others, Uddhav, who is a very near and dearest of Krishna. Again and again he bowed down his forehead, how to take birth in Vrindavan. Asamu Charnarum, Jusamam Sam, Vrindavan Kimbi Gulmala, Tushidana, Ja Dusta Jasajana, Aja Patham Chehika, Bheju Mukunda, Shudivi, Bimika. Uddhav recited this verse. If I take birth in Vrindavan, on the blade of grass, then my life will be successful. Because all the Muni rishis and all the highest devotees of Lord hankering how to receive the one, there is dust of Vrindavan. Vrindavan dust is not. No one hankering to become to take the dust of Vaikuntha, Ajodha, Dwaraka or Mathura. Uddhav is just telling, I want to take the one dust of. He did not say, I want to take dust of Dwaraka or Mathura. Narada, Vyasa, Brahma, all these will say. So what is the speciality of a Braj? What is the speciality of Braj? That is called the Braja praying, the topmost praying. And Krishna always remains in Braj, because Krishna promised, Na Vrindavan Pultajam Padavekam Na Gacchati. I never go away one step from Vrindavan. What is I doing in Vrindavan? Vrindavan ko vriksha ko maram na jane koi डाल डालर पात पात में राधे राधे होए राधा मेरी सामिनी मैं राधिन को दास जन्म जन्म मोहि दियो वृंदावन को वास. One Muslim poet has come. Radha meri samini मैं राधिन को दास. Srimati Radha, she is my mistress. I am her maid servant. Janam Jaman, birth and birth, life after life, I have to become the maid servant. Vrindavan ko vriksha ko maram na jane. Very few persons they know the glories of the trees of Vrindavan. garden and path mein Radhe Radhe. All the trees, all the leaves, all the grass of Vrindavan, what they are saying? Radhe Radhe. Eh? Vrindavan is the topmost place. Everybody and they are eager how to take birth in Vrindavan. If you take birth in Vrindavan, then your life will be successful. Eh? Is that? So in this way, so many glorifications of Vrindavan. So Gopis did first. So Jayati te odikam janma na braja. Sarati Indira, even Mahalakshmi from Vaikuntha. Then she used to come Vaikuntha to Vrindavan and she is servicing. Who is Mahalakshmi? Who is servicing? Then Rama Kira Abur Nipa. When Krishna took birth in Braj, and from that day, Sarva Lakshmi, or that is called the goddess of the opulence, fortune. She comes in Vrindavan and to hankar in her to serve. But here Vishwanath Chakravarti Bhat explained, Shakti Shakti Matodaya Abhyuda. Krishna took birth in the same time. Sarva Lakshmi Srimati Radhika, Sarvakanta Shiromani, Srimati Radhika. Then she also appears in Braj. Because without Krishna she can't stay. Then Ved also explained this in Parisisthu. Radha Madhava Neiva Radhaya. Where is Radha? There is Madhava. Where is Madhava? There is Radha. Then they cannot separate it. A human will like Krishna appears in Vrindavan. Then in the 17th century, Srimati Radhika, she is there, but sometimes visible, sometimes invisible. That is called Murta and Amurta. Then Murta means manifest, Amurta means unmanifest. Shakti, Shakti Matodaya Prakar. Sometimes Shakti manifests and sometimes Shakti unmanifest. But Shakti Shakti are just staying together as like fire and heat of fire, they stay together. Yeah? So in this same way, Yasudeva Goswami Patali Maharaj Parikshit, Lord Krishna born in Vrindavan, and that time, then Vaishya Devi, then she is in Vrindavan, and her duty is to have to serve Krishna. Then Sarva Lakshmi, Sarva Kanta Shiromani, Srimati Radhika in India. Because Srimati Radhika, she is the source of all the potency of Lakshmis. Everything is actually manifested from Srimati Radhika. Krishna manifests all his incarnation. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she manifests all the consort of Krishna. Lakshmi, Sita, or queens of Dwarka, actually all the incarnation of Srimati Radhika. This is Tattva Sakti. Then Gopi Lakshmi Kabur Nakaro Bhed. Don't you discriminate. Then Gopis and Lakshmi. Actually Gopis they mentioned in the form of Lakshmi. And serve to Krishna when Krishna manifests in the form of Lord Narayana. Then when Krishna manifests in the form of Lord Narayana Vaikuntha, that time Srimati Radhika, she manifested herself in the form of Lakshmi. In this way. But in Vrindavan, according to inconceivable potency, Achinta Sakti, then all the Lakshmis they come in Vrindavan. Okay? But Srimati Radhika, she comes to go to Vaikuntha. Srimati Radhika, she can go Vaikuntha in the form of Lakshmi. But her Radhika form, she cannot go to Vaikuntha. But all the consorts of Vaikuntha or Ajudha Dwarka, they are coming in Vaikuntha. Vrindavan. And they recite. That means is what? Coming in this again Tattva Siddhanta, Oishwarya Devi and Madhurya Devi. Oishwarya Devi duty sharp to Madhurya Devi. Understand? One very nice katha also, one Purana explains. One Oishwarya Devi, she manifests very nice beautiful form of young girl. She was very proud of her beauty and everything. Then Naradaji asked, "Hey Oishwarya Devi, where have you come from?" "Now I am going everywhere. And I am showing my beauty and activity." Then Naradaji told, "Have you been in Vrindavan?" Then Oishwarya Devi told, "What is Vrindavan?" "Completely full of dust. I don't like Vrindavan." Vrindavan is what it is. That is ladies that keep cover girls, they are go there. They are not good, they think full of dust, I don't like. And because I am Maharani, I am the queen. But go, once you go and show your beauty, maybe they will be happy to see. Then when not say because they'll say, okay, one day I will go. Then Oishwarya Devi, she came in Vrindavan. When she came in Vrindavan, then she completely what?
Western. Melted Western.
Surrender the lotus feet of gopis. Then Oishwarya Devi, she became
No more Shwara.
maid servant of the gopis. Yeah, Krishna Chakti. Oishwarya Dibba, Dasik Krita, Madhurya Devi. Then Oishwarya Devi, when she came in Vrindavan, then she became maid servant. झाड़ देना शुरू कर दी. वृंदावन ऐसी स्थान है. How is beautiful Vrindavan? So saying in this way. So gopis, they also glorify to Krishna. Hey Krishna, your dham, Vrindavan dham, how beautiful. Jadide odikam janmana praja sarayat indira sasatrahi daita dikshata dayate diyate samarpayate. Gopis, they told, hey Krishna, we offer everything to you. Why did you give up us? So he used this word, daita. Daita means diyate, samarpayate. That's called daita. We are offering to you. We offer everything to you. So why did you leave us? Why did you give us? So they use this word. Very nice people. So use this word, daita dikshata. We are searching for you. When you give darshan. Hey Krishna, please manifest your sweet beautiful form in front of us. Then yesterday I told, He Deva, He Daita, He Bhuvanaika Bandhu, He Krishna, He Chapala, He Karunaika Sindhu, He Nata, He Ramana, He Nayanabhiramam, Ha Ha Kadano Bhavitasmi Bhuvur Disurme. There are two moods inside. One is called submission mood and another is called Bhamabhav. Contrary mood. First mood is that is called submission mood. He Daita, very humble. He Daita, He Krishna, He Daita. We offer everything to you. For this regard, gopis use this word, He Daita. He Daita, He Deva. You are very beautiful, attractive. They mean Tibbati Krayati Deva. You are always dancing in our heart. Or you dance very sweet in the Ras dance. First gopis, they glorify Krishna. If you captivate the heart of someone, you have to glorify to him. This is the process. If you captivate someone heart, first you glorify to him.
Process.
They say, oh, you are very sweet, you are very nice, sweet words. This is the process. So saying, Devo Hedaita. No. Devo Sutta. Devo. That means Dibbati Krayati. Always you are dancing in your heart. Devo Hedaita. Devo Hedaita. He Bhuvanika Bandhu. You are very sweet, so gentle. For this regard, everybody make friendship with you. There is submission, all the submission first come. Hey Krishna, your name is called Krishna. You attract all the living entity towards you. And Nasta Nibritta Vachaka Prema. You attract all the living entity towards you and giving so much love. For this regard, your name is called Krishna. Hey Krishna, hey Chapala. You are very restless. If the baby is very restless, then parents will be very happy. Or if baby is not speaking, not walking, not doing anything, parents will not have happy. This is the nature of this man. If your baby will be restless, chanchal, they will be happy. Or your baby is as like dumb, sitting one place, eating, stooling, then they get this is a progress. Why everybody loves Krishna? Because Krishna is very chanchal. Running, canning, naughty. So everybody, for this reason, everybody loves Krishna. If anybody very sweet mood, then you want to speak. Or everybody, if anybody is very great, cannot speak. Do pranam to you. Because this is the nature.
We have a chapel.
You have the chapel. Chapel means restless. Yeah, restless means all your activities are sweet. All your release. How is the dancing, singing, smiling face? Yeah,
Chanchal or chapel may difference. Same
one. Yeah, that's a synonym. Chapel. Chanchal. Very restless. Rain just coming in this drop, straight, this is not good. If the rain coming this side, you are giving the example. Below I will give you this example. Chapel. That time that rain is very nice, beautiful. You can see, only rain is dropping. If the rain, wind coming this way. So here chapel. All your activity very nice. You are very expert to dance. And here chapel. If you are very chapel chanchal, your dance will be very nice. How to speed of the dancing, your legs, hands, eyes. Chanchal chapel means this way. All your limbs and body and activities very restless. Then everybody is eager. With the expert of the dancer. Then everybody looking hard. Limbs and bodies, how to very quickly and move it. Very quickly, this way, neck, this way, very. You cannot also very quickly. Very expert this. The hands, legs, limbs and bodies. That is beautiful. In the same way, expert Gopiti also. He Dev, He Daiti, Bhuvanika Bandhu, He Krishna, He Chapala, He Karunaika Sindhu. In the ocean of compassion. Karuna is Sindhu. Karuna means evil. What is the meaning of Karuna? Batao. Not the Karuna, but
mercy, compassion. there.
Purna means one's heart completely melted, looking others distress. दूसरे के दुख देख करके जिसके हृदय द्रवीभूत हो जाता है, उसके करुणा कहते हैं. करुणा की डेफिनेशन, दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ compassion. Looking others suffering, distress, your heart completely melted. That is called the koruna. So in the Gopis they use this word, korunaiva sindhu. How all the living entities suffering in the material world, and your heart melted. For this regard, you manifest your sweet love in this material world. Krishna told himself also, Anugraha bhaktana manusam dehmasitam jasutta tatpar bhavet. I manifest my all this lila from Guru Vrindavan for the compassionate of the living entities. But if they listen, jasutva, if they listen, but here saying jasutva, in this verse as explained, they have to listen. If they listen my katha, they will be delivered from this matter. Jasutta tatparo bhavet. Tatparo bhavet means they completely absorbed with my lila. Then after he dead, they will attend to me. Here this bhavet subject, vidiling. Vidiling means evil. You have to do, follow this. If you not listen, then you commit offense. Some people, no, I don't want to listen to Krishna Katha. But here the verse very clearly, Krishna Chakravarti Pad. No, you have to listen. Bhavet Sabde Vidiling. Here they use this word, Sanskrit word, Bhavet. Vidiling. You have to listen. Jasrutva. Sravan karke. If you listen, then you will deliver from this matter. Vikradam Bajavadidam Chavin Vishnu Shraddhanito Unusunnad Varnet Varnetan Bhaktim Param Bhavati Kotilabdha Kama Hidru Asu Apinati Achirino Dhiro. Many slokas they like this. So now coming in this, Yedeva Yedeva Gopani Kavandu He Krishna He Chapala He Korunai Vasindhu is the ocean of compassion. Then we are feeling separation from you. Then so please manifest your compassion and give darshan to us. Then all this submission mode first. He Krishna He Chapala He Korunai Vasindhu. He Nath means protector. Every Jagat Nath, who is the protector of the universe, Jagannath. He Nath, you are the protector. You protect our viraha, separation. We are suffering from the demon of separation. Viraha soon. Then always what? Beating to us, attacking us. Then, so please protect us. Viraha soon. So Gopis is saying this. Then, na. So in this word, na. Then, Hede Bhumi Purna Sandhu. He Nath, he Ramana. Ramana means one who always playing in the heart of all the living entities. That's called Ramana. Ramana here? Radha Raman. Raman means is plays. One who plays in the heart of Srimati Radhika or playing Srimati Radhika. For this Krishna, one name is called Radha Raman. Radha Raman. Radha Raman here. So in the same way, you are always playing in the heart of the living entities. You know everything. Krishna, he is called Paramatma also. Brahmeti, Paramatma, Bhagavanati, Samsati. He is one, but he has three aspects. Brahma, Paramatma, and Bhagavan. He resides in the heart of all the living entities in the form of Paramatma, Super Soul. So that means, hey Krishna, you know our heart and how we are feeling pain, separation from you, you know. So please give darshan to us. You are Raman Bihari. Yeah? So please, you manifest your sweet form in front of us, not only the form of Paramatma. Paramatma is your just witness, watching, looking. Paramatma, he does not say any word. Yeah? So don't you manifest in our heart in the form of Paramatma. Please manifest your Raman Vihari form. Krishna form, beautiful human form. He will say, no, I am staying in your heart in the form of Paramatma's person. Because Gyanis, they are saying, I am Brahma. Yogi is saying, I am Paramatma. So what happened? I am staying in your heart in the form of Paramatma. But Gopi told, no, hey Govinda, hey Krishna, hey Pranaths, we don't want to see your Brahma form, effulgent form, Yogic form. We don't want to see your also Paramatma form, super soul. We want to see your direct, sweet, beautiful human being form. He Jasodanandan, he Samsundar, he Madan Mohan, he Bansidhari. Please manifest of your this sweet form, Raman Vihari form, human being form. How it will do your form? Varaha Viranada Vapu Karna Karnikaram, Vibratavaso Kanakubisam Vajantamala, Nandana Venoradar Sudha, Purana Gopavindi, Vrindavan Sapadramanam, Pravi Sudhiti. This form we know. Kusturitilakam Lala, Patali, Gurukastali Kustu, Nasakri, Varmuktikam, Kortalivenum, Karikam Kanam, Sarvangi Harichandana Sulalitam, Kantechur, Muktavali, Gopastri, Parivishtitu, Vijayate, Gopalo Churam. Very nice mystery conversation, dialogue is going on, Gopis and Krishna. Krishna told, okay, I am Paramatma, I am always with you. Gopi told, no, we don't want. See your Paramatma Sarup. Krishna told, why not? Big yogis, they want to meditate about one Paramatma, delivered from the oceans of material world. Gopi told stupid nonsense words. We don't want to meditate your Paramatma Sarup. We don't want to deliver from this material. We are not suffering threefold of Maya. Dehasmati nahi jaar, sansar ko kahan tha. Even we have no bodily conception. So how possible Maya or the threefolds of Maya affect in our body? Avishchate nalnanava padarvindam jagesarili vichanta agada bodhi sansara kupapadito avalammanam. Gopi is the right stick. And also criticize to Krishna. You give this types of instruction to yogis, Brahma, who is the best yogis, Brahma. You give this type of yogis. He wants to maybe deliver from this material world. Just meditate your lotus feet. Jatpada pankaja palasa vilasa bhakta karama sangaditam udgatayanti santo tadvannarikta matayu jatayu niruddha srota ganastam aranam bhajavasudevam. Just to meditate the lotus feet of Krishna, because there are 19 symbols in the lotus feet of Krishna. If you meditate Krishna's lotus feet, then you free from all kinds of your sinful activities and free from the repeating cycle of repeated birth and death. Jat pada pankaja palasa vilasa bhakta karmasam prasam udgatanti santa tadvanva riktamato jatu niruddha sotaganastam aranam bhajavasudevam. But Gopi told, we don't want to deliver from this material world. Dehasmati nahi jaar sansar kukkanta. Even we have no bodily conception, how possible we are in the sansar? So don't give these types of instruction to us. This is what Bhamu Bhav, left wing small tongue. हे गोविंद, हे कृष्ण, हे चपल, हे श्याम सुंदर, हे मधुसूदन, please manifest your sweet form, cowherd form. What is the form? Kasturi tilakam lalatra patli bakkasri kustabam nasakri paramuktikam kardale venu karikam karam sarvam devali chandana suluvitam kante chamutad gopasti pariveshito vijayate gopala chudamani. This form, not Paramatma form. What is the form of Paramatma? Paramatma has eyes, nose, ears, hands, legs? No. What is the form of Paramatma? Our Shastra says, Jatha Angushti Pramano. Jatha Angush means thumb. The size of thumb. No eyes, no legs, no hands, no speaking. No need to go there. Gyan is that they are just meditate about Brahma effulgence. Jadirmaya Brahma. What is the Jyoti? Effulgence. What is the Lord? He is completely effulgence. What is the form? There is no form. So Gopi, we don't want to meditate your Brahma Sarup, Paramatma Sarup. We want to see your beautiful this form. Kasturi Tilakam. Then Gopi, how is beautiful form? हे कृष्ण, हे चपल, हे करुण, हे कृष्णेन्दु, हे नाथ, हे रमण, हे नयनाभिराम. हे कृष्ण, please manifest your beautiful form and give pleasure our eyes. We can see your beautiful form. Because why Gopi is saying? Maybe you say, oh, this is for there. Maybe Krishna will be asked, hey Gopi, that means you want to see my beautiful form for your own pleasure? So what is my pleasure? Bhakti not looking his own pleasure, but here in this saying, Nayanabhirama. He gives the pleasure of eyes and you manifest it. Then Govinda said, no, hey Govinda, you can't to say these words. Nayanabhirama. Nayanabhirama. Because if you see, you will be very pleased. Because you manifest of a human being form, then you see to us how our form also beautiful, more than you. There is another contradicted mood coming. You are thinking, your form, look, your form, where is your form? Or where is our form? Then you can understand. Hey, Nayan Abhiram, how to give pleasure to the eyes. Another thing, if you say, why are you asking to me to manifest my beautiful form, topmost form, human form? That time Gopi told, we heard from Purnamasi. Lord gives us these eyes. What is the purpose of the eyes? The purpose of eyes to take darshan beautiful form of Govinda. आगी लगे उसी आंख में जिस दिन गोविंद दर्शन न पावे, आगी लगे उसी वन में, आगी लगे ब्रज में, मैं
गोविंद का दर्शन
नहीं रसकांत की है, बोले वृंदावन में जितना पेड़ है ना सब जल करके खाक हो जाए. वृंदावन के सारे पेड़, क्योंकि एक बांसुरी है ना, ये हम लोग के साथ सताते रहते हैं. बामुहा भी रोकेगा तो उसी में घर है, उसी बामुहा में घर है. आगे लगे उसी आंखों में जिस दिन गोविंद दर्शन ना पावे. What is the fruits of these eyes? What is the result of the eyes? आंखों की दर्शन क्या है? तात्पर्य क्या है? गोविंद दर्शन. If you not take darshan to Govinda, what is the meaning of the eyes? Akshratam phalamidam naparam vidamo. Srimad Bhagavatam Bengali. Akshratam phalamidam naparam vidamo. We don't know the other fruits of the eyes. Only the fruits of eyes to take darshan before of Govinda darshan. This is because Lord gives us these eyes. But Lord, Brahma, that time they also criticized to Brahma. Atati jad bhavan annikanan truti jugayate tam passatam kudilakum talam srimukhanchate jadodrichatvam pakshaki drisam. Gopi, they criticized to Brahma with the creator of this body. And Brahma is the creator of this body. Gopi, they criticized to Brahma, hey Brahma, tu marishe. The Brahma, you have to die. Because you have no knowledge of mellows. Rasagyan tumhare nahi. You manifest the beautiful form of our beloved Govinda's form. How is beautiful. Atati jad bhavan annikananam truti jugayate tam passatam kutila kuntalam srimukhanchate. When Krishna used to go herding the cows, then Krishna's form is very beautiful and attractive. And Krishna's like a very nice beautiful crawling here. And very nice beautiful face covered with the dust of the hoofs of the cows. Gora's dhuli. Krishna. And beautiful there. As like lotus blossom and so many black bees surrounded over the lotus. That means when Krishna used to go herding the cows or chasing behind the cows, then Krishna's crawling here covered Krishna's face. So Gopi is saying, Atati jad bhavan annikanan truti judayate tam passatam kutelakum taram srimukhanchate jadodrichatvam pakshaki drisam. Gopi is criticized to Brahma. Hey Brahma, you are orosic. Meaning you have no knowledge of Rasatattva mellows. Why? Because you manifest our beloved Govinda, how is beautiful. But you gave us only two eyes. So how possible without two eyes we take darshan to beautiful form of Govinda? Okay, no harm. You gave us two eyes, but you gave us
eyelids.
Eyelids stop. You cannot take darshan to Govinda. Se kale vasapane dekhilu se duicha se chand badan sei kale ailo dui boiri anandar madan haririla morman ki dekhibo mui Srimati Radhika sito. When anytime Krishna appears in front of us, then so much happiness coming, ananda, and there is so much also tears rolling down. Tears coming from two ways. You are very happy and you have become distressed. Then tears come. So you have Gopi thing. Jikale vasapane, even our dream you appear, or you direct manifested in front of us. Krishna appears in many ways, according to Ujjal Vilmani, Satni, Agati, different ways. So Gopi they told, Jikale vasapane dekhi se chand badhan, se kale ailo dui boigi. Dui boigi means two enemies coming in front of us. What the two enemies? So much happiness coming, ananda. Because your form is very beautiful and attractive, completely intoxicated in our heart. We cannot control our also transcendental lust. That I'm thinking, what to do? That time all our limbs and body completely what? Kya hota hai? Stunned. That is called one kind of anubhav. Stunned. We cannot move our any limbs and body. Just as like a statue. Jatha likita chitrita. Jugal Git. When Krishna comes in Vrindavan, all the trees, all the birds, deer, cows, they completely stunned. Just they looking beautiful form of Govinda. They cannot to move their face. Gavasya Krishna mukha nirgata venu geetam. Sukadeva Goswami told, when Krishna comes in Vrindavan and plays the flute, then cows just looking beautiful form of Govinda. Their eyes open, not blinking. Eyelids not up and down, just open their eyes. And their
Yes.
ears completely were stunned. And the vibration of the food enter in their ears and come in their heart. And their heart completely were melted. How do you know their heart melted? Tears
Yes.
rolling down. Savascha Krishna Mukha Nirgata Venu Gaitam. Savascha, even the small baby cup. Just sucking the breast out of the cup. And milk coming, but the small baby, newborn baby cup come to drink the milk. Milk also automatically falling down from their mouth and throat. Because even the small baby cup, they are such a beautiful form of Govinda. Just watching, open their eyes. Not only even the birds of Vrindavan. The birds of Vrindavan, just thus looking beautiful form of Govinda. Nachanna Vacha, first they making the sound, tick, 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 tick. But when Krishna come and play the flute, then they stop, just watching Krishna beauty. Vrindavan. Deer, male deer and female deer, just they running towards Krishna. Dhanna smamura gatayo hiranna eta, jhanandan pata vichitra vesham, akarna venu ranitam, saha Krishna sara, pujadam virachaya, pranayavalokai. Pranayavalokai. Male deer and female deer. They are very quickly running and coming very close to Krishna and sitting very close to Krishna. And just they open their eyes and looking beautiful form of Govinda Darshan. And then Krishna fatting on their back because they are very close to Krishna, sitting very close to him. And Krishna just touched his lotus hand on the back of the deer. Then deer's heart melted and tears flowed down. So they say this. Dhanasma muragato hirannayeta janana pata vichitra vesam akarna venu ronitam saha Krishna sara pujadadam vricha pranayava lokoi. This is Govinda darshan. If you sit and take darshan of Govinda, what kind of feeling will come? You will forget everything. For this regard, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad composed one verse in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. There is a Bengali translation of our Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Bandhu Sanghi Jadi Tavo Ranga Porihas Thake Obhilas Tabe More Katha Rekho Jeo Nako Mothura Kesi Tirtha Ghatera Saka Tathaya Chena Hori Govinda Rupa Dhari Mukhe Mridumanda Has Adhare Vamsidita Anarthera Muladhar Sikhi Puchchaka Bhai Nakaro Viswas Ghotibe Vipada Bhari Jeev Nako He Sansari. He Sansari. If you want to enjoy the sense gratification, listen my advice. Don't go Mathura. If you go Mathura, don't go Visramghat. If you go to Visramghat, don't go Vrindavan. If you go to Vrindavan, don't go the bank of Jamuna. If you go to the bank of Jamuna, don't go Kesighat. Hare Krishna, he killed Kesi Devant. If you go to the Kesighat, then listen my last final advice. What is that? Very close to Kesighat, one very nice beautiful temple that is called Govinda Dev is there. Big cheater person. If you go to the temple of Govinda Dev, just outside of the door, do pranam. Don't enter in the temple because that big cheetah person is there. Dekhile nahi na here kya nahi khare. If you take darshan to Govinda Dev, then you will never return back into the land. No, that is what? So don't go Vrindavan. I told the Prabhuji, you go Vrindavan? No, I don't want to. Good, you stay. If you go to Vrindavan, not possible to go back. Dekhile nayan hare keho nahi ghare tire grihiro sansarja hoy sarvanas. Everything will lose. You destroy everything. But why? That this cheater person, very big cheater, adhare vamsi gita. He kissed the fruit in lips. Very powerful person. Mukhe madhumandahas. Big cheater means you are smiling face. Madhutishtate jihagre hridetu halavalam. In the heart full of poison. And externally showing his very nice nectarian lips. Stupid nonsense. Very big cheater. Adhari kamsirita mukhe madhumandahas. Kiba chuda sire, kiba vamsi kare, kiba se tribhangata. Well, how is beautiful form? Kiba chuda sire, how is beautiful. Pick up feather on his turban. Kiba vamsi kare, how is beautiful fruit on his hand. So kiba chuda sire, kiba vamsi kare, kiba se tribhangata. He is always Triband? Oh, Tribhangadari. देखिले मैंने हेरे के बनाई घरे घरे चुड़ा के भाई ना करो विश्वास. Don't faith with him, big cheater. So secondly, that means you have to go to Vrindavan. Then opposite way. Don't go means what? You have to go. Don't go means go. Two negative makes a positive. Yes,
Maharajji, why Tribhanga? The meaning of Tribhanga?
Later will tell. Tribhanga. So now, hey, Nayana Viram, ha Kadanu Bhavitasmi Pur Disor me. Hey Krishna, when you will again manifest of your beautiful form in front of us. As you manifest your beautiful form in Ras dance. Because I told you, Krishna's topmost form manifested in Ras dance. And in the Ras dance, Krishna super excellent form manifested in front of Srimati Radhika. Because Krishna many kinds of devotees. Who is the best and super excellent devotee? Then Krishna manifests his super excellent form. Sayame Rama Ramanam Sundarata Varishta Sundarja Mahita Samasta Jagata Janasa Sayamasa Vama Vaddatanum Kadam Tam Indra Bharam Maham Rupa Goswami Tat composed. Krishna's topmost super excellent form manifest in Ras dance with Srimati Radhika, not others. So we say, He Deva, He Daita, He Bhuvanika Bandhu, He Krishna, He Chapala, He Karunaika Sindhu, He Natha, He Ramana, He Nayana, He Rama, Ha Kadanu Vitasme, Bhur Disorme. We have been saying a thing, Jati Devanikam Janmana Vraja, Srata Indira, Tastaprahi, Daita Dikchatam, Dikchatavaka, Tvedita Asavatvam, Vichinjunate, Balavinnavan Vihari Lal, Jai Jai Shri Ram, Bala Govinda, Bala Hari Gopalo, Govinda, Bala Hari Gopalo, Govinda, Bala Hari Gopalo, Govinda, Bala Hari के आनंद प्रदान करो, अपने स्वरूप के प्रकाश करके, अपने स्वरूप के प्रति ज्ञानाभिराम, अपने स्वरूप के प्रति हम लोग के आंखों की जो आनंद प्रदान करो, ये कहा गया ज्ञानाभिराम में हा हा कदानु भूतास में विसोर में. In this way, when you will again manifest in your in front of us.
And then he turned it down, contradictory, but rather she's saying we are more beautiful than you.
This is contradictory mood. First saying submission mood, you are very beautiful for you give us. Then contradictory, no, we don't want to see you. You will be also what?
Happy to see you.
Happy to see us beautiful form. But your form is what it is. And our form is 1,000 times than you. That is contradictory. We have given it. Same slope, different interpretation.
So the words are ha ha virama.
Next line, next phrase, ha abhirama. Then anything after that? They say.
He devo he daita he bhuvanika bandhu. He Krishna he chapala he karunaika sindhu. He Natha he Ramana he Nayanabhiram. Ha ha kadanu bhavitasmi. Kadanu no when. Kadanu. Ha ha kadanu bhavitasmi bhur divsur mein. Again will you manifest your form again.
Bhavitasmi bhur.
पढ़ो तो तब होगा हम मैं करेंगे.
Can't think of it.
अरे चैतन्य चरितामृत में श्लोक है, पढ़ लो. As original श्लोक from बिल्वमंगल ठाकुर. इसका कृष्ण का नाम है. बार विश्व प्रवर श्लोक रोग नहीं होती. कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी explain these slokas in चैतन्य चरितामृत. This sloka I am explanation. हे दैत हे भुवनैक बंधु. हे कृष्ण हे चपल हे करुणैक सिंधु. हे नाथ हे रमण हे नयनाभिराम. हा हा कदानु भवितास्मि भूर्दिशोर्मे.
बढ़िया. बिल्वा मंगल ठाकुर तो कृष्ण पक्ष.
कृष्ण पक्ष को भी, but कृष्ण तो for the Krishna paksha, any paksha is no problem. But they glorify the word Krishna. How is beautiful Krishna? And Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained Radha paksha को किसने होता?
In the same slope.
Same slope. कथा तो सब बोलते हैं, किंतु कथा बोलने के जो जितने प्रकार मसाला देते हैं ना, वो अपने स्वादिष्ट होते हैं. सब्जी तो सब बनाते हैं, सब्जी तो आ गया, सब्जी है, आलू भी है, पोटैटो है, सब प्रकार. किंतु वो बनाने के तरीका जो होता है उसमें स्वादिष्ट होता है. You can vegetables are there, and what kinds of ingredients that taste will come. Masala. You put the ingredients. What kinds of ingredients? What kinds of sabji? What kinds of ingredients? And what kinds of mixture? Your preparation sabji will be very tasteful. What kinds of mixture put in there? If you don't know, just cook. That is not proper. You have to, this is called that is called art of cook. रंधन के कला तो इसकी कहा जाता है. जे किस वस्तु के साथ किस वस्तु मिलाने से वो टेस्ट होता है. What kinds of ingredients you give? That is called the art. And how to cook, what kinds of ingredients, how to cook these. What spices? If you cook too much, no taste will come. If you are overcooked or less cooked, also not taste will come. You understand? Yes. Just give an example. Rice. You cook rice. Do you know how to cook rice? If you ever overcook the rice, no can eat. And sticky will come. As like it, halwa. Halwa will come. Basmati chal gave you. Tell you, Maharaj, you cook this basmati rice. But you don't know how to cook this basmati rice. Then overcooked. Then halwa coming. You cannot eat. Or another thing, what is it called? Undercooked. And not also cooked, half cooked, you cannot eat. Sometimes you are looking, devotee also. And undercooked, not cooked. Then again, hey, how to eat this? Or you overcooked it. So you have to cook proper way, middle way. What is it? Proper. Not overcooked, not undercooked. Everything depends on this. So this is called Randhan. This is called the art. Art of food. So in the same way, Krishna's katha is same. You cannot change the katha. But how to present it? Present, not careful.
Presentation.
Presentation. How is the presentation of this katha? Why people running behind the people to listen to katha? Because how they presented this katha. Then people are very eager to listen. Singer, they sings. One singer sings very nice. Same thing, but you can sing. But how they present it? How the beautiful tune coming from their throat. Sabda. Sabda means sound. Everybody eager to listen the sound, not other things. Big, what is a very famous artist, singer. Why people going to listen? You can go internet, you can sing this, you can play, but that but how they presented mood, how they presented their vibration. See, what the people come. Even people they don't know what the singer is singing, but the vibration stimulate their heart. Then thousands of people, hey, dance. If you ask the people, what did he sing? What was it? We don't know. As like snake, or as like the deer. Snake does not know the meaning of the tune. If you play the flute, then snake start to also dance. Because this vibration makes the dance to it. Srimad Bhagavatam gives this evidence also. Praman. Deer. The hunter, how hunter catch the deer? And putting one small stick under the ground and playing the flute. Then deer coming and deer listening. The vibration. Deer cannot understand the meaning of the song, tune. But vibration also so much captivated. Vibration completely captivated the heart. And they are coming and they just shelter that the stick. But stick was a little bit under the ground. And when they taking shelter, then stick fell down, and then hunter taking another stick and bitterly beat. This has vibration. The vibration of sound, that is Sabda. How is powerful? For this regard, people thought, why the people they are running behind to the big singer? They don't understand them. They don't understand the meaning of the song, nothing. And their singing also has to be nonsense things. Nothing. Even also that song was completely meaningless. Singer, sometimes they are singing, but meaningless. Otto prano priya, jiki miki diya. Lata Mangeshkar. You know?
We don't know that song.
Nothing. The meaning is nothing. Otto prano priya, jiki miki diya. Andhar rate kotai chile, amai bitariya. Bengali song. Otto prano priya, jiki miki. And that is they are glorified to sun. Yes, his son. Midnight, where are you? We did not see to you.
Midnight.
We did not see you midnight. And now about to dawn. Now we wake up. So midnight, where did you hide?
Where did you go?
No, where did you? Kahan lukai?
Where did you stay? Where did you hide?
Where did you hide? Hide.
Where were you?
Otto, Surya re kahe I forget it. Jiki miki diya. Andhar rate kodai chile amai tatari. Why did you cheat me? And we are using this word to Krishna and Srimati Radhika. That means Krishna whole night and staying with Chandravali. Then early in the morning, and he came in from Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika she told. Srimati Radhika she told to Krishna, why did you come here now? Now about to dawn. प्रभात हो गया. So whole night where did you pass? Where? You can use this word Paramatma. But the bit singer, they are not useless. Just coloring. Imaginary they are making sing this and they are no meaningless. Just I told you this. If you go through that, they are there. Jikimik means very effulgence manifested. Jik 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 jik. As a lightning fall. When sun rays in the east morning, that is sun or making the so much effulgence. Yeah. So this effulgence means rays of the sun. Effulgence. That is called jikimiki. They are saying these bars also. Yeah? When the Lata Mangeshkar singing this song, you don't understand the meaning, but you have to start to sing. You are Englishman or you are Bengali man, Hindi man, no problem. You don't understand. You have to be what? But the tune is very sweet. Yeah.
Talking of tunes, everything boils down to Sarigama Padani.
Sarigama Padani. Sarigama Padani. Tell that next time.
We can't wait till next time.
Wait another year.
We can't wait. The beg.
Yeah, we can wait.
We cannot
We
wait.
don't know who be in next year.
Why not?
Krishna will. Maybe we won't.
The Atma is eternal and transcendent. No jayate, no mriyate.
It's not good logic, man.
After 1 month, I told the cotton out. Cotton Lila, do you know Cotton Lila?
Cotton Leela.
Srimati Radhika's cotton pastime.
Cotton first time I told. Swimming first time.
Swimming pass.
Swimming race.
Swimming competition.
Krishna. We'll have to wait for that to
Cotton Lila, we have to wait another year.
You know Cotton Lila?
No. Tell us, Maharaj.
आपने बता दिया
Sham.
Just check.
बताया
आज शाम को बताना.
नहीं गुरु का लीला बताया
लीला जाए.
बता दिया
क्या?
आज शाम.
आपने लीला
आपने
उसका
brief
अंत
में
बता दिया आपने
brief में
पूरा लीला
बताया.
नहीं बताया
The beginning.
बचपन में
खाली-
से बताया था इसलिए यहाँ पर अंत आपने बता दिया कि
कॉटन वाला निकाल के
बिच्छू
और कथा
सांप
पूरा
सब
बता दे.
लीला में मदद करते हैं, वो सब आपने बता दिया यहाँ पर
बता दीजिए.
Gaur Preman. You read this Gopi Gita, so many leelas is there also. You read and so much, you can also get so much there. Gaur Preman.
Evil.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Okay.